BJ, I got a math question for you. Okay, sure, bring it on. Okay, I have 5 pairs on the table, and I took 2 pairs, so how many pairs do I have left? You got 2 left. I have 5 pairs here, so BJ, are you sure about that? Let's try this again. I got 5 pairs on this table. If I took 2, how many do I have left? Okay, I think you still got 2 pairs. Listen to me, BJ, I got 5 pairs, and I grabbed 2, then how many do I have left, assuming I have hands? If you listen to yourself, you will agree with me that the answer is 2. You asked, how many pairs do you have left if you took 2 pairs? So, the answer is 2, based on how you asked the question. BJ, I think either you have a glitch in your logic, or I got bugs in my head. That's a tricky one.